Hey tubes, got something kind of interesting for you here. Something a little different, but should be pretty helpful nonetheless. What we're doing here is I got my computer set up, and you might notice that there's an error screen on it. And the reason for that is I had Ubuntu installed on my computer. If you're not familiar with it, you probably are if you're watching this video. But what Ubuntu is it's an operating system. It's Linux-based, open source, and all that. And so I wanted to try it out, just to try something new. So I installed it on the computer as a I did a dual boot, so I had a separate partition for Ubuntu. And make a long story short, I had some problems with it, couldn't get some drivers to work. So I went ahead and deleted the partition that contained Ubuntu. So what happened, and I knew this would happen, is with that partition went the manager, the boot manager, I think it's called Grub or something like that, that would allow me to choose my operating system, whether I wanted to boot Ubuntu or boot Windows. So as a result, I can't get it on the Windows now, because there's no way for me to choose it. That utility, if you will, that's totally gone. So anyhow, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to repair that. So if you notice, right now I've got my error screen up here, so I'm not going to be able to do too much with that. But here's what you're going to do when you need to repair this. First thing you need is this. You need your Windows XP repair CD, or actually, really not the repair CD. It's the installation and repair CD. But I got Windows XP Home Edition. Okay, so you're going to shut your computer down and put that CD into the disk drive. Make sure you close it, and then fire up the PC and hit F12 when you get to the boot screen there. Okay, that takes you to this menu. Let me bring you down a little bit so you can see a little better. Okay, we're doing the CD, so hit go down to the CD drive, hit enter, and then shortly after it'll come up with something that says press any key to boot from CD. Hopefully you saw that. So then what it's going to do is it's going to do some stuff and start to load. Now this screen, it takes a little while. It's probably about 2 or 3 minutes it'll be on this screen. So you're going to stand by here a second, and then I'll show you what happens when we get to the menu. Okay, so here's the menu you're going to get. What you want to do is you want to hit the R button. That'll take you to the recovery console. You don't, unless you're installing Windows. I don't know why you would be doing that. Assuming you want to repair it, you're going to hit the R button, and then it's going to take you to this this recovery console thing. All right. And so what you're going to do, you're going to choose which installation you want. I only have one installation of Windows, so we're going to hit the one, hit enter. You're going to put your administrator password in, and then you're going to get a command prompt. Okay, so let me bring it down here a little bit more. There's 2 commands you're going to need to run. Excuse me. The first one is fix MBR. Okay, go ahead and run that, and it's going to say, warning, you have this this non-standard boot record and all that, and if you're not having problems, don't do this. But since we are having a problem, we do want to write a new MBR. Okay, so we're going to tell it yes. Okay, just did that. All right, next command we need to run, I'm sorry, got to get you down here a little bit lower, is fix boot. Okay, hit enter. It says, are you sure you want to do that? Yes, we do. Y is yes, by the way. And that's it. Okay, so now we're going to shut the computer down. I do a forced shutdown, and actually what you should do is you should hit exit. Okay, one of the commands, you can do exit or you can do reboot, but I did a forced shutdown there. Should be okay. We'll just check and make sure the computer boots up here. Up. I got the CD in there, so it wants me to boot from that, but I just didn't hit a button, so it should boot Windows, and it is. So that means we've been successful. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Subscribe and follow me on Twitter at DirtBike5100. Okie dokie tubes.